Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a video on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the clip. And then you can swipe left or right to the scene that you want to cut, maybe this one. And then just click on the clip and click on split at the bottom. Click in here, and then now you can swipe again until you can found the clip that you want to delete. Maybe in here you just click on split again, and now you can click on a scene that you want to delete, this one. Click on it and then click delete. So finish that how to cut a video on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.